According to NASA, a small school bus-sized asteroid safely passed our Earth on September 24th. The object was estimated to be approximately 15 to 30 feet wide, and they had assumed that it would make its closest approach to our Earth on September 24th. The object was classified as a small near-Earth asteroid, and it had a brief visit to Earth's neighborhood on Thursday, September 24th. It passed at a close distance of 13,000 miles or 22,000 kilometers above Earth's surface. The asteroid made its closest approach below the ring of geostationary satellites, which are currently orbiting about 22,000 miles away from Earth. Based on its brightness, the scientists at NASA had estimated that Object 2020 SW was approximately 5 to 10 meters wide, which is of a similar size of that to a small school bus. At the time, there was no impact trajectory with Earth. However, if there were, this asteroid would almost certainly break up high in the atmosphere and become a bright meteor that is popularly known as a fireball. According to NASA, there are a large number of tiny asteroids similar to this one, and several of them approach our planet as close as this several times annually. Asteroids of this size impact our atmosphere at an average rate of about once every year or two. After the discovery of Asteroid 2020 SW on September 18th by the Catalina Sky Survey in Arizona, additional observations were done to confirm its orbital trajectory to ensure that there were no chance of impact with Earth. It was also determined that the asteroid would make its closest approach at 4:12 a.m. on September 24th over the southeastern Pacific Ocean. After Thursday's close approach, the asteroid would continue its journey around the Sun and is not turning to Earth's neighborhood until 2041, when Asteroid 2020 SW will make a much more distant flyby past our Earth. NASA's goal is to find 90% of the near-Earth asteroids that are approximately 460 feet or larger in size. According to NASA, these larger asteroids pose a much greater threat if they were to impact Earth. So, therefore, it is better to detect them whilst they are much farther away from the Earth, because they are much brighter than the smaller ones. It is also believed that there are over 100 million small asteroids similar to Asteroid 2020 SW, but they are extremely difficult to find unless they get very close to Earth. The current detection capabilities of NASA's asteroid surveys are improving, and therefore people can expect that we will be able to find asteroids of this small size a couple days prior to when they come near to planet Earth. We remain fascinated by objects that exist in space, and we will forever be fascinated by those that choose to visit our neighborhood in the solar system. Many of the objects that visit our solar system are from distant places in the universe, similarly to our interstellar visitors like Borisov and Oumuamua. However, we should also note that comets come from the Kuiper Belt, and they come from even the vicinity in the Oort cloud. We should also remember that some space objects arrive from the asteroid belt that exists between Mars and Jupiter, whilst there are also other objects all the way out there in our solar system closer to the edge even closer to Pluto. So objects will constantly be flying past our Earth. We just hope for the best at all times, and we hope that at no time in the future will there be an asteroid that has a major impact on our Earth, similar to the one that destroyed the dinosaurs. Of course, in 2013, we had a major scare in Russia when we had that meteor that hit that specific area. Now, of course, we are also not expecting to have any more disasters for 2020, but there have also been numerous astronomical discoveries. And surprisingly, for this year 2020, there have been a lot of close flyby of asteroids that have passed our Earth. It is good, though, that they have all passed at a safe distance. Of course, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think about these objects from space continuously flying by our Earth, and however their size seem to continuously be increasing. Now be safe and keep a watch on our night skies. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.